Mistplay support requests can stall if your ticket is missing account details, screenshots, or enough information to verify the problem. By the end of this, you'll know why Mistplay support may not be replying, and how to improve your chances of getting an answer faster. The first thing to check is whether your request was actually submitted. Inside Mistplay, go to Profile, then Support, and confirm you got a ticket confirmation or email. If you didn't get one, your message may not have gone through. Send it again. The second problem is incomplete information. If you just wrote, "My points are gone," or "My reward is missing," support may not have enough to investigate. Send your account email, the game name, the issue, and screenshots. That gives them something to work with. If it's a reward issue, include the reward type and redemption date. If it's playtime or points, include screenshots of your game progress. That cuts out back and forth. Next, check your email inbox carefully. Mistplay support replies often go to your registered email, not always inside the app. Check spam, promotions, and junk folders. A lot of users miss the response because it lands there. Another thing that slows replies is duplicate tickets. If you keep sending the same issue multiple times, it can reset your position or split your case. Stick to one ticket and reply inside that same thread. That keeps everything in one place. Now check your app version. Open the Google Play Store and update Mistplay. Older versions can cause support forms to fail or sync incorrectly. Also make sure your account is active. If your account is locked, suspended, or flagged for VPN use or duplicate accounts, support may take longer because they need extra verification. If you're waiting on a reward, don't send a support ticket immediately unless the expected delivery time is clearly passed. Some rewards take time to process, and support may tell you to wait. If support still isn't responding, resend your original case with all details in one clean message. Do not create a new problem report with different wording. Keep it organized. So the main fixes are simple. Verify your ticket, include full details, and check your email. Start by finding your original support confirmation first, because if the ticket never sent, nothing else matters. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick app fixes.